left 5 200.
Commitment of speed. You've actually got some commitment in this car, I've got to say that.
Yeah, well, actually, the media day yesterday gave me a lot more confidence in the car. We've taken a bit of a change for this event and the next event to do a bit more testing. We're trying some different tyres and some ride heights. We've actually raised the car up a little bit, and I think it soaks up the bumps a little bit more. One of the big decisions I've got to make this morning, we're running through Shipmans, and we all know the creek crossing at the middle of that stage, and I was there watching the World Rally cars go through. Now, whilst we might not have the entry speed, but being turbo diesel, we've got a bit of commitment with the water crossings where I don't have to worry about it too much, but I'm still a little bit concerned about how deep it is. I think it's just as deep, but just not as wide. But the concerning part is there's a lot of big rocks in there, so
on the one hand, you've won a championship, but you'd want to hope that you would have this year, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I mean, look, it was always going to be a big learning curve for us with the Forester being an SUV, turbo diesel, first of Australia, all that kind of stuff. And obviously we're looking forward to giving another run next year. We've decided to do another year committed to the sport with East Coast Bullbars and Kumar McGrath Foundation. And obviously one of the other things that we're currently negotiating with is a couple of people have approached us to buy this car, which will allow us to build a new car, which then adds more cars to the series.
Short to crest absolute 100. Crest absolute into immediate right 6 short 100. Crest absolute, then right 7 line, then left 6 very, very long. Dip flat, immediate right 6 line into a crest absolute 100.